Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And in this instalment, we have this Hilka 8-piece deep offset ring spanner set. Quite a mouthful there. It's quite a cool little set though. Let me just adjust the camera slightly so you can see a bit better. And get this lovely case open. It's a bit stiff. Yeah, this comes with 8 spanners. I don't know why spanner was so hard for me to say then. We have 7 and then from 6 to 22mm. We'll start with the first one, which is the 7 and the 6. They feel quite nice in the hand. Go the right way around, so we'll get it in the thing, back in the holder. Also comes in this lovely holder as well, it makes it quite useful to organise. And we'll grab out another size, maybe the 11 and the 12, 11 and 10. Yeah, quite nice. Got a nice textured feel to them. They feel quite grippy in the hand. A decent length, even the small one's got a decent length for that. And the main selling feature to these is this offset, which is useful for greeting down into tight spots. Imagine if you had something in the way, you could sneak it past and undo what you need to do. Also reaching up over stuff, do have plenty of range of movement. Yeah, overall quite nice. Goes all the way up to 22mm, which is this big boy here. And got 20mm on the other side. I like the weight to them. It's all very solid. They come in handy. You don't need them all the time, but they come in handy for like suspension work, taking top strut mounts off, which I've used this one before. Yeah, overall quite good. So here's a 30mm bolt, and as you can see, it fits on fairly nicely. These are 12-point sockets. I don't know how close you can see that, but yeah, they're 12-point. Again, sometimes you need that extra bit of clearance to be able to do stuff. Yeah, so my final thoughts on these. They're really quite handy. They've got a good grip. I love the texture on them. It feels like it's very firm in the hands. Overall, yeah, very handy little set to have. You won't need them all the time, but when you need them, they'll come in handy. Like when I did the ball joint on the C-Max not too long ago, one of these would have been perfect for getting onto the nut that holds the ball joint in place. You know, get in there nice and easy with one of these and just get it off. Because of the drive shaft being in the way, will give me enough clearance. But apart from that, pretty good little set. Really pleased if you're looking for a set. This is not bad, got a wide variety of sizes. The plastic holder is pretty good. And obviously, before I go, I want to mention that we're now in October, so we're coming up to close on a year of me making videos. So look out for some year content coming out very soon. I've got a few things planned, so keep an eye out for it. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week. So if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.